up, y'all? JazzJanay here, and welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're not. I know I'm a strange face. I have not been on YouTube and I don't know how long, but I just had like a tug in my heart to come back. Doing YouTube really has just been like a comfort for me and like my therapy almost. So I decided I want to come back. I want to get back to jazz. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, my channel focuses on natural hair, lifestyle, fashion, and whatever else y'all wanted to see over here, okay? But yeah, so today we're gonna be doing a little quick weave trial and error. And the reason I say trial and error, because we went through it with this, okay? I did not lay these tracks right at first, but I went back, I took like the first half down and I redid it again, and we got this. So if you want to see how I got this style, keep watching. What's up, y'all? So my hair is freshly washed and blow dried, and I did like a treatment on it. I would insert the products right here of what I use to wash and blow dry my hair. Let's go in with the hair that we're using. So y'all, I literally looked up the cheapest hair with the best reviews on Amazon. I will there you go, if you can see it. But I will insert it right here once again, so I'll just screenshot that. But they sell bundles. This has 3.9 stars, so that's fine. And I literally paid $56 for 16, 18, 20 inch. It's 3 bundles. And I got the body wave texture. May not be the best hair, but for what I want to do with it, it's gonna work. So let's get ready to mold this hair down. So I'm gonna try to section off my leave out. I've seen some people say do it in 2 parts. I don't want that much hair out because I'm trying to save myself some heat damage. But this last quick weave, I didn't have any heat damage, but that's probably because I've been in the hospital and I haven't been doing my hair. Y'all be seeing them TikToks on how hairstylists be trying to get your middle part. That's how I'm feeling right now. I need to go get a rat tail comb. Okay, that look like it's in the middle. So after we took it from the side, I'm gonna just go ahead and just braid this part down so it'll be out the way. Well, not braid it down, we're gonna twist it down. Okay. So I look a mess right now, but I already went ahead and did my braid down off camera. I say a braid down, but we're gonna pray to my ancestors that they don't come get me for this horrible braid job that I did. But since it's the middle part, I just braid it straight down, and then I just pinned everything to the back to make it real flat. And then I just left some of my edges out right here, so I could have a little bit in case I wanted to like pull my hair behind my ears and stuff. We thinking about everything, and that's what I like about quick weave. You can customize it to how you want to customize it. So I'm gonna go in with a growth serum just so my hair can have a little bit more moisture while it's under the wig cap. I want to keep it as moisturized as possible underneath there, so you know I can see a little bit of hair growth in this semi-protective style. So I'm gonna go in with the Curl Mix Master Collection Growth Serum. They sent me this to review on TikTok. I haven't did it yet. I need to go ahead and do it. But they sent me this to review on TikTok along with some other hair products. And I have yet to use the growth serum yet. I haven't used any other products actually. I just haven't had time. But this is what it looks like. Just a regular oil. But I'm gonna oil my scalp with this and then start the molding process. So I'm gonna go slap this bad boy on. And then I'm gonna go in with this Robert's Diamond Bond Protective Shield. And this is just so it protects your hair from the actual hair glue, so the glue never touches your hair. So this is what it looks like. It's a little on the pricey side. It's $13.99. I'm sure you can find some a little bit cheaper, but it's always gonna be like $8 to $10. But this one was $13, and I just got it from my local beauty supply store. First, I am going to outline like my parting area. And it works really good, see? So yeah, I'm gonna just outline that whole little part for my leave out, so I won't put any of that bond on there, because I don't want my hair to touch that bond, because it's gonna mess up my blowout. But now I'm gonna just go in. This looks a mess. Now I'm gonna just go in with this stuff and just put it all over my hair. And I'm gonna just use a real old fan brush to spread it out. Okay, so got my hair, got the product all over my cap, and now I'm gonna just go blow dry. I was gonna sit under the dryer, but I don't feel like it. I do have like an overhead dryer I can sit under, but no, I may do both. I'm gonna just go in and blow dry it so it can dry and mold down to my head so it won't move. And then we'll cut the cap and start gluing the tracks. So yeah, how I like to do my tracks, I like to take it, measure it, pull it as tight as I can, measure it, and then that's when I'll cut it. Add the glue. I'll just add the glue along the whole track. Let the glue get a little tacky, and then that's when I go in and like lay it down. And I make sure I lay it down as tight as I can. And then I'll go in with my blow dryer, since this is like the anchor part. I'm gonna go in my blow dryer and blow dry it down. So that's gonna be the steps that I take for. Ooh, this hair gonna be a little long. Y'all know I don't do long hair for real. But so that's gonna be the pattern that I follow for the rest of the video. So I'm gonna speed it up. Y'all enjoy the tunes, and we're gonna see this beautiful hairstyle come to life.
Myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find.
Okay, this is where we are at right now. Y'all, I have not seen myself with long hair in so long. It's a little scary, and it's really gonna take me to get used to, because yeah, I'm not used to seeing myself with long hair. But we did one bundle. This is one bundle. Looking, giving very much thin. So we're gonna go in with the second bundle. And just start measuring it out again. Okay, so now I'm just cutting my cap. And y'all, I'm gonna be real quiet doing this because I don't want to cut none of my hair. Okay, I'm gonna put one more track right here and then we're gonna lay my leaf out. Last track. Okay. Okay, this is when I realized I messed up with how I laid the tracks. So the rest of this video is not how the tracks were laid. I did it off camera and I'm so sorry. I'm sitting there getting excited for no reason. Like, this absolutely looked ridiculous when I was done. And I'm not even going to insert a picture. But just to let y'all know, I did go in and I fixed it. And that is the final product that you will see at the end of this video. So, I'm going to go in. Grab my leave out. So I'm gonna go in with my leave out and I'm gonna go in with this IGK Crybaby. It's 72-hour fridge controlled soothing serum. I'm gonna go in with that. I go in with this with all my silk presses. I picked this up from Ulta, I believe. Well, and then I'm also, just for extra protection, I'm also gonna go in with my Unky Funky Daughter maximum thermal protection, and it's a split end serum as well. So I'm gonna go in with that. You can pick this up at your local Target. Y'all, this is black owned. I love it. They have like a whole straight hair line. They also have natural hair, a natural hair care line as well. But I absolutely love Unky Funky Daughter's products because that little jar of curl cream, my wash and goes are popping with that. Okay, like popping with that. So I'm gonna just go in again with the blow dry just to make sure it's and I'm gonna go in with my Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium flat iron. I love these flat irons. And I'm gonna just do 2 passes. Okay. And as you can see, baby, that is straight, okay? And I'm gonna go in and straighten the rest of the hair as well, because I think I'm gonna go with a straight look.
Two cups, toast on with the gang. From food stamps to a whole nother.
And I'll come back to y'all with the final look.
My living proof, so ain't compromising. $500,000 on the coupe. Drug houses, looking like Peru. Graduated, I was overdue. I'm a pink model, I can barely move. Ask about it, I'm gon' bust a move. Yeah, I'm red.